Hi, it's Sherry from TM UK Car Dealership. So today I'll show you Toyota Vellfire 19 plate available for sale. Executive lounge, does have parking sensors as well. Cruise control, fully loaded, does have a inbuilt cabinet inside. I'll quickly show you the exterior. Beautiful car. Now I'll show you the interior side. So this is the beautiful interior of the car. It does have amazing badge leather interior. Inside it's a complete little executive lounge. It does have a little cabinet here in case if anybody wants to remove it, we'll remove it. It does comes with the car. So secondly, these are the seats, and this is the cup holders on both of the sides. These are the back seats on the back. And if you want to drop down the seats, you can do it by this. Same goes for the other one. And this is the leg rest, which can go back easily, and this is the cabinet for the car. A complete small house. Does have a double sunroof, one here, one here. Again, amazing looking car. The LED lights here. If you want to control the lights, these are for the heated seats. And if you want to control the lights, you can press this button. And also how dim or how high you want the light. Okay. These are the seats, back seats. It does have sunroof as well. And does have spare tire as well with the car. sorry, it does have a button here, so you can close the boot. This is the back camera. Now the language system it's in Japanese, but we can change to English. We'll change the headset here. This is the handbrake basically. Temperature controller. Power doors. In case if you want to close the sunroof, it will close. If you want to open it, it will open. Cruise control, power button. The keys, volume controller, indicators, left and right, and does have a dash cam as well, which comes with the car.